Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. Today I'm going to show you these cool hats. But before we do that, please subscribe, like, and share my videos, and hit the bell to get new content. So let's get started. So I have here these beanie hats. I have the Hi-Vis, and I also have the black. These hats are LED beanies. 100% acrylic, one size fits all. Light distance is approximately 10 meters or 32 feet with these LED lights. USB charging. This is pretty cool. So you just pop it out the back here. Let me put it back in and show you. So it's on your head this way, and you just fold it over, pull it out, pull the USB cover off, plug it into your computer or USB charging. And red means it's charging and green means fully charged. You just put that cap back on, put it back in, and you're good. So you have three variations: high, medium, and 2 hertz flashing. The light will last about 2 to 4 hours. I'm going to demonstrate now. So that's off. So I'm at the off position. Click it. That's the Hi-Vis. Second is the medium. And third is the 2 hertz flash. You get about 2 to 4 hours depending on what mode you're in. That's basically is going to dictate how long this is going to last for you. These hats are really great for running, exploring, hiking, whatever activities you want to do that you're going to need a light. If you're a walker at night or early in the morning, these are fantastic beanies for that purpose. The fit and flexibility of the hat is really nice. Highly recommend these hats. They are very popular. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.